niya, sino ho ang sinabing maaaring pumili na sumama sa dating Pangulo sa Villamor Air Base? Who was given authority to say, you can bring this, and this person?
Lahat sila pinayagan. Lahat ng kasama niya sa aeroplano, I think they were a party of 12, if I'm not mistaken. Sumama sa coaster at sumama sa Villamor.
Lahat po yun?
Lahat sila.
Wala pong naiwan?
Walang naiwan.
Okay. And was that the plan from the very
Yes, from
beginning?
the very beginning.
What was, and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the President, it was you and the President.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I. So hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira last man standing doon sa Malacanang. Kasi Secretary Chidoro was working out of his office sa Camp Aguinaldo. Secretary Anyo.
A few moments later.
Pagkaintindi namin, ang nagplano ay kayo.
Like
Secretary Anyo, Secretary Gibot Chodoro, at ang pinangalan, ang Chief PNP, General Marbil. Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating Secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, your record.
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the President, once I mentioned. There was...
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo?
They asked me-
Pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan, ang siyang nagplano. Kasi
Ma'am, we're already invoking
namin.
executive privilege in this matter.
Yes.
We're invoking executive privilege in this
Yes,
matter.
that's fine, but it's in
Yes.
the interview. And it's
Yes, ma'am.
I-
It goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it.
Ayaw,